To work the knitted cast on, make a slip knot. And put it on your needle. Hold the needle with the slip knot in your left hand. This is your first stitch. Now, take the right needle and insert it into the first stitch so that the needles make an X. The right needle is under the needle in the left hand. Lightly grip the needles in the X formation with your left hand. Next, take the working yarn, this is the yarn from the ball, and wrap it counterclockwise around the right needle and bring it down so that it lays between the two needles where they meet in the X formation. Take the needle in your right hand and bring it down and towards you so that the needle tip catches the loop of the working yarn. Gently pull up this loop. And put it on the left-hand needle. Pull gently on the working yarn to snug up the stitch on the needle. This is one stitch made, and now you have 2 stitches on the needle. Repeat these steps until the required number of stitches are on the left needle.